For assignment 2.10, we have the temperature and humidity sensor. This little blue thing. Do a close-up of it. As you can tell, there's some technology inside there. Not too sure exactly how it works, but I have it hooked up to my LED board at port 2. I have a white going to pin 2 on here, and I have my ground and my 5 volt. Yeah, it's pretty cool. By taking a look at your serial monitor, you can determine the temperature and humidity. When I was doing that, it seemed like it was a little off because it was saying how it was around like 85 in my room, but it's actually around 72, I think. So it's a little off. But just like the previous assignment, it's probably going to need some calibration. So let's take a look at the code. So as you can tell, the static constant INT, that's the DHT sensor pin, which is right here. This is basically assigning that value to our pin on here, pin number 2, where the white is going to. And there's also, and then we have our setup. We have our serial begin, and then we go to static bool. On here it says static, right here, oops, bool, range from 0 to 2 to 32, and its variable is equal to value. So bool is basically the variable name, which equals the value assigned to that variable. And that's pretty cool. Then a new value that we're unfamiliar with is the static unsigned long. The unsigned long converts a value to the unsigned long type. The parameters are a value of any type, and returns are unsigned long. And as you can tell, it's in milliseconds. This is pretty cool. So we have 3000, which just means that it's going to take one measurement of humidity and temperature every 4 seconds. And if it returns a value, it's true. If it returns a value, it's either true or false. Then we have some more values that we're familiar with, the float, temperature, and humidity, which are the 2 values that we're working with. And yeah, it's basically it for the most part. We're saying that the temperature we're measuring in is Celsius over Fahrenheit, which is standard for these. And that is assignment 2.10.